OpenAI has just started rolling out its highly anticipated advanced voice mode for ChatGPT. Stick around to find out more about this groundbreaking feature and its implications for AI technology. OpenAI is rolling out a new advanced voice mode for ChatGPT to a select group of ChatGPT Plus subscribers. This feature, first introduced at the GPT-4 launch event in May, has been delayed to ensure it meets OpenAI's high launch standards. The voice mode has been noted for its impressive capabilities and has undergone significant improvements since its initial announcement. During the GPT-4 launch event, OpenAI showcased the new voice mode's ability to handle interruptions and adjust responses on the fly. This demonstration highlighted the feature's potential to revolutionize our interactions with AI. However, the release was delayed from its original June alpha launch to refine the model's safety and content detection abilities further. Safety and improvements. OpenAI took this extra time to improve the model's ability to detect and refuse certain content, ensuring it can handle various safety concerns. They collaborated with over 100 external red teamers to test the voice model's capabilities rigorously. OpenAI has also implemented new filters to block requests for generating music or other copyrighted audio, addressing some key safety issues. Voice similarity and legal issues. One of the most talked about aspects of the new voice mode was its similarity to Scarlett Johansson's voice, reminiscent of her role in the movie Her. OpenAI pulled this voice after Johansson raised concerns. Now, the new mode features 4 preset voices created with professional voice actors, ensuring that ChatGPT cannot impersonate other people's voices, including public figures. Future plans. According to OpenAI spokesperson Taya Christensen, the advanced voice mode will be available to all ChatGPT Plus users by this fall. This rollout marks a significant step forward in AI technology, providing users with a more interactive and responsive experience. That's all for today's update on OpenAI's new voice mode for ChatGPT. What do you think about these advancements in AI technology? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Dailies for more tech news and updates. See you next time.